can stop the will of the Indian people. Today this has been proved by our students, by our young people. And they have stood there regardless everywhere, not just in Delhi, across India. They have not cared about any political party, anybody who is trying to make politics out of it, anything. They have not cared. They have stood for what they believed was right. They have fought for what they believed was right. And this is their victory. I give them my compliments. We in the Congress party have tried our best to support them in the strongest way possible. Rahul Gandhi ji has been talking about this issue of paper leaks and exams for a long time. For a long time. I think it's been over 2 or 3 years that he has been raising this issue. So I think that I want to compliment him as well, because he has raised this issue and he has got the rest of us in the party, the NSUI, the Youth Congress, to not only support the students but to create a movement all across the country for the rights of students, for the reform of our education system. So now I think this is the beginning. But I'm really, really happy. I got a little bit emotional when I heard this news, because many times in these last 10 or 12 years I have thought to myself, when are our young people going to wake up? Look what is being done to our country. RSS is filling the entire educational system. Every post, every vice chancellor, the ideology of our forefathers has been broken down. Force is being used against young people, against anybody who raises their voice and protest. So today I'm a very happy person, because the youth of our country has spoken and nobody can ever dare to silence their voice.
लोकशाही मराठी ऐका, पहा, जागरूक रहा.